Hello and welcome to another Zeta Graphics online video tutorial on YouTube. Today we're going to learn how to make, or how to use, I should say, patterns. This is a very easy thing to do. It's any beginner can do it. Patterns are really useful. They make things stand out a lot better than plain colors or flat colors or anything like that, and they can really add that extra oomph to your art or your graphic. The first thing we're going to do, of course, is make a new document. I'm making mine 600 by 500 pixels. You can kind of see that. Let me just drag this document off of here. Okay, so I'm going to show you on text. You can do it for anything. You can do it for just the background. You can do it for whatever. But I'm going to do it on text because it'll also show you how to apply the patterns to text, as well as just a background, which has one extra step in it, so it'll actually help you more. Okay, so first I'm just gonna write something random like there we go, nice and unoriginal. Make this a little bigger so you guys can actually see the pattern. Okay, now that we have our text in place, what we're going to do is add the pattern. You can do this one or two ways. You can make a new layer and add the pattern, or what you can do is you can rasterize this. If you rasterize this layer, then you go layer, and you can go layer style, and then it's just called pattern overlay. Once you click that, you'll see that it's obviously changed to the default pattern that's here. I'm going to try and find a leaf-like pattern, so let me go to nature. Let's see what they have. Texture view, rocks, pattern, nature patterns. Okay. See if we got any leaves. There we go. That's nice. You can also change the scale. To change the pattern, you use this little drop down box like I just did. Go to pattern presents, you click this little arrow, and here are your patterns. So that's the pattern I picked. Now I'm going to change the scale and make it a little bigger. Right about there is good for me. And now what you can do is you can either change the blend mode. I usually like doing something like overlay or something like that. Uh, Anything that'll actually make it stand out or look nice, whatever. And of course you can keep it on default normal. I think I'm going to turn it to overlay so there's more of a color coordination there. Okay, now that we have a pattern, let's go ahead and spoof up the text. You've learned how to apply your pattern. Now let's just do a few more effects to finish this off. Okay, first I'm going to take the circular tool here, and I'm going to make a shape like this. This is going to add a semi-glossy layer to it. Okay, I'm using my gradient tool and I'm making the foreground color white. And then I'm making my gradient preset white to transparent, or foreground color to transparent. And then I'm just going to drag this gradient down just like this. Okay, now we're going to press Control and click on the text layer's image icon there. I'm going to right click, select inverse, and press delete, which will delete the layer behind that. And then I'm just going to lower the opacity a little bit on this. That looks nice. And now I'm just going to add some final effects like a drop shadow. Drop shadows are always a really nice effect for text and things. It can really bring it out more. And I'm going to change the background color, of course, because white's just not suiting it. Maybe something like a lighter green or something. There we go. And there you have it. That's how you use patterns, and that's how you do semi-gloss on top of that. This tutorial is by zetagraphics.com. And, you know, just enjoy, and please subscribe if you like the tutorial. And come back for more great tutorials from Zeta Graphics and everyone here, and the whole team, because we really like helping you guys. And that'll be all. Thank you for viewing, and good job.